Hey everyone, welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're taking a look at GBPUSD and combining news analysis with chart analysis to give you the best possible trading outlook for May 26, 2025. First, let's dive into the news headlines. Recent reports indicate pound sterling to US dollar is seeing positive momentum after hitting multi-year highs, currently around 1.3550. UBS forecasts a target of 1.38, but we'll see if the charts confirm that. Trump's tariff policies and potential divergence between the Fed and BOE continue to be major market drivers. Let's switch over to the charts and see how these events are reflected in the price action. Here's the one-day chart for GBPUSD, showing price action over the past year and a half. We see a clear upward trend, but there have also been significant pullbacks. Notice the recent consolidation around the 1.35 level, which aligns with the news about current resistance around 1.36 reported by FX Street. Let's zoom in a bit to get a clearer picture of recent price movement. Looking at the daily chart from late January 2025 onward, we observe a series of higher highs and higher lows, confirming the overall uptrend. We can see pullbacks to the 1.22 and 1.24 level, and now a more recent test of the 1.34 level, followed by breaking through the 1.35 level, which had been a critical point to break through to see these new highs. A key price level to watch is around 1.34 as near-term support. If price breaks below this level, we could see further downside. However, if it holds, we can expect the bullish trend to continue, with a potential target around 1.36 to 1.38, in accordance with UBS forecasts. Let's move to the 1-hour chart for a more granular view. Now looking at the 1-hour chart, we get a closer look at the recent price consolidation and attempted breakouts. It is critical to watch the intraday support around 1.352. A break below this will likely bring a test of 1.345 level. We need to remain bullish above the 1.34 support. Any breaks below 1.34 and we need to reevaluate for potential bearish movement. We should note that it's currently hovering around 1.353 as of today, May 26, 2025, and the data we've looked at stops at the end of May 25th. Let's move on to the 15-minute chart to look at the very near future. On this 15-minute chart, we can see the recent choppy price action more clearly. The price seems to be fluctuating between 1.352 and 1.354. Any sustained break above 1.354 would suggest the bullish momentum is building, potentially pushing towards the 1.36 target mentioned earlier. Given this near-term turbulence, it is highly unlikely we will see 1.38 soon. The 15-minute chart is mostly confirming the information on the 1-hour, and there aren't many clear signals. It seems that most activity will continue to test 1.35, and, depending on new news, a break above 1.355 is possible in the near term with 60% chance. But a retest and potentially break below 1.35 support is also very plausible, roughly 40% chance. A lot of trading action will be influenced by headlines and news, so it is important to be ready to react to how the market may react, rather than make assumptions on your own on how the market should react. Remember, the market is always right, and be prepared for all possibilities. So to quickly recap, 1.34 is the critical level to watch for support. Above this, bullish. Below this, bearish. A near-term target is 1.355 with 60% chance, but we may potentially retest, and if bad news hits, fall through 1.35. Keep an eye on the news feed for any developments related to Trump's tariffs or central bank policy changes, as these will significantly impact the GBPUSD pair. That's all for today's analysis. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts, and be sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth market breakdowns.